ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಮನವಿ ಪತ್ರನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದು 14ನೇ ಮನವಿ ಪತ್ರ. ಇದು 14 ಮನವಿ ಪತ್ರಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತುವರೆಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮನವಿ ಪತ್ರಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಚೇರಿಯಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಲೇಶ್ವರಂ ಕಚೇರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫೀಸಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ದಾಖಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫೀಸಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದಿರೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಸತತವಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮನವಿ ಪತ್ರನ ಸಿದ್ಧಪಡಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ನೌಕರರು 70-80 ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಉರಿ ಬಿಸಿಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವರು ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಿಮ್ಮತ್ತು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಒಂದು ಬೆಲೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಜವಾಗೂ ಇದು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಶೋಚನೀಯ. ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮನವಿಗೆ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಮತ್ತು ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಸಚಿವರಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ದಾಖಲೆ ಬೇಕು. ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ದಾಖಲೆ ಬೇಕು. ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೂ ತಾವು ಕೊಡದೇ ಇರೋದು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಶೋಚನೀಯ. ನಾವು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಾವು ನಿವೃತ್ತ ನೌಕರರಿಗೆ ಕೋಶಿಯಾರ್ ಕಮಿಟಿನ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೈ ಪವರ್ ಕಮಿಟಿನ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಉಪೇಂದ್ರ ಯಾದವ್ ಅವರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರಂ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಲೇಬರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಕಮಿಟಿನ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೆ 2014ರಲ್ಲಿ 1,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿನ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಯ್ದೆನಲ್ಲಿ 10 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆದೇಶ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ನ ನೀವು ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. 2024 ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ನೌಕರರು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಾಗದ ಬರೀತಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಮನವಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಪ್ರಗತಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಜವಾಗೂ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಶೋಚನೀಯ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ನೌಕರರಿಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮುಗಿಯೋದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೇಡಿಕೆನ ಈಡೇರಿಸಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಅರ್ಜಿಗಳನ್ನ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತಾವು ಮುತುವರ್ಜಿ ವಹಿಸಿ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು, ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ನಮಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಕೂಡಲೇ ನಮಗೆ ಹೈಯರ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ನು ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ತಾವು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Shorter memorandum you have submitted, we had duty forwarding it to zonal office. Our zonal office has already forwarded to head office also. Both the copies will be handed over to you regarding this memorandum. There is no doubt in that. As soon as we receive the memorandum, immediately we are taking the action, because as you said, you are like our parent. We understand the pain and we are here to help. And you correctly said whatever facilities we are receiving is from the money which we have. There is no doubt in that. That's what I am saying. We are here to serve you all. As you said, whatever is in our hand, we are supposed to do. We are doing that. As soon as we receive the reply also from the ministry and the head office, we get it in 20 minutes. Now, second question regarding the higher pension application that we have received. Regarding exempted establishment, especially KSRTC and AMTC, there is some specific provision in your trust rules which restricts the contribution to the pension fund. Now, for that, our head office is clarifying the legal angles for it. We are already, as we will not believe, every week they are asking us what exactly was happening. We have already forwarded with our legal opinion. We took the legal opinion from 2 advocates. We have forwarded it to head office with our recommendation. Now they are only saying they have received from all over India for exempted establishment. As soon as it is verified, it will be issued to us. We will start issuing the calculations and demand. We are also going to do that because we have 30,000 applications pending. We want to dispose it off, because that is going to help the people ultimately. AMF, what they are saying is unexempted. There is no issue in unexempted establishment because they comes under EPFO rule. We have already issued, if you can see from our office, 25 demand notices we have issued, and we have already issued the higher pension also for unexempted establishment. Only regarding exempted establishment, that legal point has to be clarified from the head office. As soon as we get that, we will issue. We have already discussed with KSRTC and BMTC. They have kept your ledger ready, where all the details are available, where our team can go, verify and give the report. Everything is ready. Only thing we are waiting for head office verification. Once that is done, we'll start issuing the demand. And many people after here will take a list from them only who are the people will prioritize those cases and will start issuing. So just wait for head office clarification. Once that is there,
We are gathered here, main protest and chanted slogans. Are you going to send the Transport details to your office or not?
See, we normally mention that this many employees pensioners visit our office at the memorial. And they are visiting our office every month on this point we mention, and we will request them to look into their demands. We also translate everything into English for their convenience and we forward.
But this time, please, you are that's
Acknowledge
you have forwarded. Only you forwarded all the Malleshwaram office, Malleshwaram office to head office, or Minister of Labour and Employment. We have not received any information.
that
Okay. Of course, you are
understood.
sending this copy to Malleshwaram office. Malleshwaram office not doing anything. No, they must tell us. They must address
They may okay, that copy also will. So whatever copy we forwarded, that also will give it.
what efforts that we have made so far.
Yes, yes, each and every copy will be forwarded to the office, and from there to head office. Month the copy will give it. Every month.
How long we are struggling?
We understand that. No, as I said, whatever is in our hand, we are supposed to do immediate. Considering it's a pensional issue, we have done that. Every month we have forwarded, plus zonal office forwarded every copy. Because I know for sure it has been done.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, sir. Dhanyawad.